Hi guys! Welcome to video number 3 of our Financial Literacy Challenge. So, in our previous video, I shared ideas about setting up budget. Now, we're taking it a step further by tracking your spending. So, tracking your spending is like a spy movie. But instead of tracking bad guys, you're tracking your money. How? First, use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. So, kung napanood nyo na yung mga previous videos ko, may shinare akong budget and payables monitoring sheet. So, malaking help yon para matrack nyo or malaman nyo kung saan ba napupunta yung money nyo. Second, keep receipt and bank statement. It can also provide din kasi ng mga valuable information on your spending habits. You can use them to make sure your budget is accurate. Third, check your spending regularly. Alam niyo ba guys, checking regularly your spending will help you avoid overspending and stay on track with your budget. So, tracking your spending is like a superpower. By having a clear picture of where your money is going, you'll be able to make informed financial decisions and reach your financial goals faster. Watch my video number 4, Save for Emergencies. See you!